We are stuck at home. Everything is completely iced. It's starting to warm up and thaw. Everything is just glazed. Oh, my palm tree is completely knackered. Look at that. That's too bad. Stuff is starting to melt. The hummingbirds have been hammering the feeders. They're not here now because I just scared them away with the camera. But look at the ice on the CRV. Look at that. Completely sheeted over. Oh, everything's broken. I can't get my cars out of the driveway. Oh, I want this to melt and go away. You can hear Stella barking in her sleep. She's dreaming. Did I wake you up? You having a good dream? Are you chasing a rabbit? I was going to try to make it more authentic by moving your feet. You were sleeping. I heard you barking in your sleep. You were chasing something. Everything was quivering. Your eyes were flickering in and out. Even though they were closed, your eyelids were moving up and down. Your nose was twitching. Tail was wagging. Doggy dream. Doggy dreams. Our car is completely frozen. Look at the texture on the paint. About fell down and fell on my keister a second ago. I'm out in my slippers. Look at the ice buildup on that. Oh my goodness. There's just ice everywhere. The sidewalk is so slick. Gosh, there's so much ice. I gotta be careful. Car cover just broke. Oh, my little van. So cold. Whoa. Oh, geez. Slippery. Oh boy, I'm not going anywhere, so I'm gonna go right back in the house before I break something. I want to go to work.